I'm standing in the valley, and I'm standing alone. The fires have faded, the embers are cold, and the stories of failure are the ones being told. But deep in the marrow, deep in the bone, there's a seed of a kingdom they've never known. Let the lightning strike, let the oceans roar. I've been in the furnace of this war before. The more they strike, the harder I grow. There's a power in the silence that they'll never know. This is the sound of a soul that refuses to break, built on a rock that no mountain can shake. Through the fire and the flood, through the shadow and pain, I will rise from the dust, I will stand in the unbreakable. In His name I am unbreakable. They counted me out, they left me for dead, but I heard the words that the Spirit had said. The battle is mine and the victory is sure. So I'll keep on marching, I learn to endure. Every scar is a map, every wound is a light, leading me through the dead of the night. I will not bow, I will not break, I will not bow, I will not break. He is my strength. This is the sound of a soul that refuses to break, built on a rock that no mountain can shake. Through the fire and the flood, through the shadow and pain, I will rise from the dust, I will stand in the rain. Still standing, I am still here, unbroken,